Ralls, Texas schools. The first school was held in a two-room wooden building that the school district rented from the First Baptist Church. A $15,000 bond was voted to build a brick building in the south part of town near the present site of the Lions Building in 1912. The school district was created in 1917 by voting it an independent district. A $71,000 bond was voted to add an existing building in 1917. In 1917, there were 577 students and 12 teachers who taught for $85 a month. There were 13 subjects taught in Ralls High School, while in 1977 there were 37 different subjects. A $65,000 bond issue was held and a two-story high building was built. That building now serves as the middle school. In 1925 through 26, over 1,080 students were enrolled in Ralls. The number one Negro school was held in a one-room wooden building constructed in 1929. There were 92 students at this time. The district integrated and closed the Cook School in 1966. The old high school building in the south part of Ralls was torn down in 1933, and an elementary school was built from the old school's materials. This elementary was built near the high school building on 10th Street, which was used until 1974 when it was torn down. In 1935 through 36, there were 868 students served by 26 teachers. In 1950, a gymnasium and auditorium were built. In 1950, there were 788 students in Ralls. In 1936, a lighted football stadium was built which seated 400 people. And in 1958 and 1965, a $275,000 bond issue was passed. These money were used for remodeling facilities and to build the south wing of the elementary building in 1958. A bond issue was passed to build a high school and gym auto mechanics building in 1972. These places were moved into a 1972. Over the years, many districts consolidated in part of the Ralls district, and in 1976 to 77 there were 913 students in Ralls.